How to make slow-mo shorts video on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make slow motion video on YouTube Shorts. So first of all, make sure to update your YouTube application from Google Play Store or App Store. And after this, let me just open YouTube, and here let me just click on the plus icon and go to create a short option. And here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So to create a slow-mo video, what you need to do here is that you have to click on this particular icon. You can see 1x. Simply click on 1x, and here to make a slow-mo, what you need to do is that you have to click on 0.5x or 0.3x will be more slow, and 0.5x will be slow. So let us just try 0.5x, and you can see slow. Just you can create a video. You can see I am making so fast video. So let me just show you. Create video. I am making so fast video. So guys, in this way you can create a slow-mo video on YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.